Hey, in after a couple of days your area will be raining heavily. Be careful.
Yeah, this kind of future predictional news surprise us to think in a direction how they could say that. Well, do you know it is meteorology and conducted from space? After the dominant establishment of human beings on Earth, man started thinking to step on moon and establish their own empire on other planets like Mars. For these needs, a guest house is necessary for the scientists to conduct space experiments, researches, to survive weather conditions in space, to know zero gravity effects, health conditions, astrobiology, astronomy, meteorology in space, and to compensate fuel emergency situations for spacecrafts. International Space Station is constructed with about 20 meters of height, 108 meters length, 74 meters of width, and 420 tons of weight. Almost a football stadium sized space station is constructed 400 kilometers above the Earth crust. In a low Earth orbital region, it rotates around the Earth in 93 minutes. Looking like a big star, it can be visible with our naked eyes without any telescope. This story started from the thought process of America. NASA started this project by the name Space Station Freedom in 1984. But it was delayed due to many reasons. In 1993, after many countries shook their hands to construct this project, they changed the name to International Space Station. American NASA, Russian Roscosmos, Japan Space Agency, Canada Space Agency, European space agencies took part in this mighty construction. As this 420 tons of heavy weight cannot be transported into the space directly, different modules and components are taken by the spacecrafts and assembled in space. International Space Station is bit mighty and complex construction, but made simplified by Arfactsclub. In this assembling, we usually listen the word docking. Two space modules or components taken to the space are connected to each other with the help of docking ports. More simply, it is like socket and adapters we use regularly. Astronauts enter inside the space station only after their spacecrafts are connected to the space station by docking process. Propellers are used to constantly move the station in space. Now our major doubt is how could energy is supplied to the space station to work continuously. The complete structure of International Space Station looks like this, consisting of solar panels which constantly provides energy and radiation panels which emit heat produced from the space station. This is the reason why it cannot lose energy or broke down. As like we need spinal cord for the basic structure of human body, here integrated truss structure acts as backbone is provided to which docking ports are available and all other modules and components are attached. So far, only two pressure modules belonging to America and Russia are present in space station, held with all facilities where astronauts and cosmonauts can visit, live without the spacesuits, and conduct experiments and researches for some period of time. In the year 2000, a 3-member crew stayed in space station for 136 days. Yeah, you may expect space tourism soon. Finally, some other components like robotic arms are attached to integrated truss structure, helps to conduct science experiments and in mechanism of repairs and in joining or release of spacecrafts by docking process. It took 116 times to spacecrafts to transport all these components from Earth to space. The total cost of this project is $110 billion. For every 6 months, a group of astronauts visit the station for some research works. Former Kalpana Chawla along with 7 group died in a crash in Space Shuttle Columbia 2003 during its re-entry to the Earth's atmosphere. To our surprise, this amazing assemblage is done just by sitting and operating from laboratories on Earth. If you like my explanation, hit like and subscribe buttons. To all the pet lovers, pure imported puppies are available at best prices. Feel free to contact.